Hello everyone, good morning and welcome you all back to my channel. Once again, this is Djmahaneet and guess what? Today we're going for a drive. This was Nandi Hills, what you just saw. So we are on the foothills of Nandi and we're going to be reaching Kanve Mane in the next 5 minutes. This is about 5-6 kilometers from here. Stay tuned, people. So we reached Kanve Mane right now. The time right now, I think it's 9:10 a.m. So it took about a little more than an hour with all the stops, and we have a beautiful Kanve Mane today. Lawn and the weather is just perfect. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned as we explore. So coming to the restaurant, this we have about 6,000 square feet of restaurant area here, which can seat about 100 people, and it has both indoor and outdoor kind of feel. So this is attached to rooms on the sides. We have 3 rooms there and 4 rooms here. 4 rooms on the cottages, 2 down, 2 up. We'll take a walk around of the rooms and the cottages. Come on, let's go. So this is the restaurant area of Kanve Mane, which can seat about 100 people. Right now the furniture is not laid out for 100 people. So also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So coming to Kanve Mane, we are at the cottage area. These are the cottages right here, overlooking Nandi Hills over there. I'll try to put a few drone shots to see how the overhead shot looks like. Come on, let's go to the cottages. Coming to the cottages, these are the 4 cottages we have here at Kanve Mane. We'll walk through a couple of them. So all of them are 4 identical cottages. Come on inside, we'll take a look at it. So these are beautiful, very spacious cottages we have here with king size cots and side tables on for both sides. We have extra bed for another person, and we have a study table right here in case you wanted to work from home, and also a beautiful mirror for you to dress up. And the view is what you look for when you come outdoors. It has a beautiful view of the farms around. And come on to the bathroom. So the bathroom is well furnished with a geyser. So we get 24 hours hot and cold water, and we have a shower area partitioned with a view in the bathroom itself. You have a beautiful view. That's the view you have from the bathroom itself. And we have a sink with a mirror. So that's about the bathroom. Let's go to the next room. So coming to the next room, this is the other room we have. It's very similar to the previous one. Only thing is one is left facing, one is right facing. So this is the other room with a study table, extra bed and a king size cot. And we have some furniture around in case you have guests in the room. We have 2 rooms on top with a view like that as you climb up. More or less the same view from all the rooms. So this is the room on top, the first floor, with a much better view than the ground floor. And you have similar king size cot with side tables. We have a study table but there are no extra beds on top. It's only for the ground floor rooms. And the bathroom is very similar to all of them. All 4 are identical rooms. Come on, let's go. We have Nandi Hills facing, and from up here you can see the whole Kanve Mane. The view gets better on top with all the coconut trees and the teakwood plantations surrounding you. So this is the terrace view. We have the beautiful Nandi Hills, and then we have a little party area. If you want to have exclusive parties for the cottage area, this is the party area for the cottages. And there's a small hill in the background with silver oak trees lined across with, and also coconut and mango trees. Beautiful view of around Nandi. So hope you like this entire walk around of Kanve Mane. If you want to book the place, I'll leave the description box the details for booking, and the pricing you can always ping for more details. And follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned till the next one. It's sayonara, adios and goodbye, and cheers, and give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Bye bye.